Okay, now hit the brakes. Okay. Alright, it's recording.
2015 Honda Accord Sport. Rear lights 73 or 7443s. Take your pry bar, get your little plastic hooks out. Pull back your cover. You got your brake light on the bottom, turn signal on the top. Grab one, turn to the left, pop out. Make sure you have your gloves on. They're pull lights. You just pull the old halogen out. Put your regular one back in so it clicks. When you test them, if it does not work, pull it out and reverse just the brake light, and then it'll work perfectly. Put that in there. Click it back in spot. Then you do your upper light, your turn signal. Same thing. Pulls out. You can use the 7443s or the 40s. Put it back in there. Locks in place. Put your trim and everything back together, and you're done.
Alright, do your brakes. Alright.